Hi, I'm Lazarow. I'm the IBM Planning Analytics Director at Revelwood. Today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate elements from an existing subset in PAW. So what we're looking at on the screen is we're looking at a basic exploration where you've got accounts going up and down, we've got some of our departments going left and right. One of the things that you'll notice if you look closely is as I'm looking at my expenses, we have one of the accounts that's duplicated. Well, this is a pretty standard one. This is pretty obvious and it's done for sample purposes to make sure that you can notice it. But this may realistically happen in a situation where you're creating a real exploration. Maybe you've got thousands of elements, you're looking at SKUs or you're looking at customers, and you may not notice the fact that something was duplicated. Maybe you're not using a dynamic subset. Maybe you have it where it's a static subset and your users have created it and they didn't realize that maybe they have some kind of a duplicate element. Maybe your list is so long, and as a developer or a modeler, you're staring at the screen and you're not even noticing the fact that there's a duplicate. So PAW has a feature built into it to say, you don't have to do the thinking. You don't have to focus on it to figure out what's duplicate. We'll do it for you. And the way that we can do that is we do it within the set editor. So within my rows, I'm going to open up the set editor and I'm going to see my list and I'm going to see the fact that rent was duplicated. Well, one of the options is a button that's called Remove Duplicated Members. By simply clicking on this button, it's going to go through the list and it's going to remove the duplicates. And you can now see that there's a single element of rent, whereas before there were two. And when I click on Apply, my view has been modified. Modifying the subset, removing those duplicates, is as simple as a single click. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something new. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at info@revelwood.com and visit our website at revelwood.com.